Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Calendly and automate follow-up reminders with AI step-by-step clearly. To download Calendly, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official Calendly website at www.calendly.com. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button and click it. You can create an account using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. After signing up, follow the prompts to set up your profile. Next, navigate to the settings by clicking on your account icon. In the settings menu, find the option for integrations. Select the app or service you want to connect with Calendly. Follow the instructions to connect your preferred calendar and any other integrations. Now, to automate follow-up reminders, go to the event type you want to customize. Click on the event type to edit it. Scroll down to find the Notifications and Cancellation Policies section. Here, enable the follow-up reminder option. Choose how long after the event the reminder should be sent. You can select the message content for the reminders. Consider using a template or drafting a personalized message. Make use of AI tools if available to enhance your follow-up messages. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes. Your automated follow-up reminders are now ready to go. Test the system by scheduling a mock event to ensure everything works smoothly. Review your calendar regularly to manage upcoming events and reminders. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Calendly to streamline your scheduling and follow-up processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.